This is Wag Chicago. For the record, it's the 29th day of the 7th month of the year. It's officially 2021, but whatever. I'm looking at Europe. I was checking the flight radar, and it opened up over Europe on accident, and good thing it did. I don't know what all these doohickeys are. Holy crap. There's helicopters, these flying things unmarked. I don't know if they're having an air show like all over Europe. 5,800 feet of Schleicher ASH-31, whatever that is. There's a ton of them. Look at the screen there. They're everywhere. The whole screen is full of these little birds. Are these drones? What is this? They're all private owner. No ID. No tails. You see these? I'm going to zoom in even more. This looks like Germany, maybe. I don't know, Austria. I don't know the area that well, so forgive me. I just see patterns. These look like a flock of birds. The first thought I had was that scene in that War Pigs video, the one that was redid in 2015, I think, where you see the airplanes in World War II coming over that girl's head. You remember that video? It's all red, and it was showing the destruction of something during World War. I don't know. It's that thing. I don't know. This kind of reminded me of that. That's why I'm like, I got to turn the mic on. What are these things? Gliders? Yeah, they're gliders. Really? Maybe they're having an air show. The whole country's full of gliders. Really? You don't see this in America. Besides that, there's helicopters all over. Hang on. Let me back it up. Oh, here's a big balloon. What we got here? Balloons there too, huh? We've had a couple balloons over America too. It's a Zeppelin. Yeah, I'm sure. That's funny. The symbology of that floating. Never mind. It started with an H years ago. I don't know. Here we go. Let's find these helicopters. Maybe they're doing helicopter training too. Let's see. Because there's helicopters all over Europe. Yeah, it's an ambulance. That's what they always say here too. There's thousands of ambulances airborne in America every night, but for the extraction training. Anyways, you got lots of birds, gliders, helicopter. Look at these. Helicopter. Let's see what this is. Another ambulance. Yeah. See, there must be a lot of emergencies in Sandrio area, wherever that is. Belia, Novara. I don't know where the hell we are. Oh, there's an airport there, maybe. Yeah, maybe it is. Maybe this is how you live in Europe. But then there's no IDs. So, when you're important enough not to have a radio ID, or unless I'm retarded, look at all these things. Look at them all. Is this an air show of like... And I thought the world was in trouble. You got enough money to be buying all these gliders? Look at these. Glider. Boy, does this not look weird, huh? I don't live there. Maybe this is normal. Glider. Look, there's hundreds of them. What do you all like, fly to work or something? What? Wow, this is creepy. Gliders could be drones. I'm not there. Maybe these are really little gliders floating around. Here's another helicopter. They got helicopters all over. Let's see. Yeah, another ambulance or something, right? No, this one says not available. I like to register it as F Goose. The goose from the sticky. Oh, here, you see these flying in formation. Let's see. I see gas. That's a cool name. I see gas. Is like carbon monoxide gases. Could you be working for an agency sniffing the gases finally? Maybe you guys are up there. ISOL. I'm just reading their name. I'm sure it's all fake anyways. Let's see. Anyways, you got gliders all over Europe. Look at this mess. They're everywhere. They're just grouped. Look at how many are down here. Probably 500 of them. Like, your skies have got to be filled. This is France, Switzerland. They're in multiple countries, these gliders. Isn't that weird? Here, down here. Where's this? Andorra, Barcelona. Is this not weird that every country in Europe has got gliders, like hundreds of them floating around? Right? Or no?